Howdy out there. This is the last chance opportunity to get your early bird discount on our final expense telesales mastery workshop. It's going to be on August 15th, 2020 in the beautiful city of Atlanta, Georgia. You're going to be there on a one-day training event learning from an agent, and his name is Jason, who has written 226 final expense applications literally in the last 19 weeks. He is going to show you absolutely everything that it takes to be successful selling final expense telephonically sight unseen. So if you're interested in joining and you want to learn more about how it works, what the costs are, and lock in your early bird discount, please do it now by following the link below. Last I checked just a few seconds ago, I only have 3, maybe 4 spots left. We are capping enrollment to 20 people. So we're almost completely booked, and it's likely if you don't act now, you won't get in. So please, if you're interested in attending this event and you want to learn more, click the link below, and hopefully we'll see you there. Take care.